Hi, welcome to the cryptocurrency channel Crypto Era. We regularly talk about interesting tokens and startups. Subscribe, like, and be happy. Today we will discuss a promising project called Avalanche token. Interesting facts. Market capitalization is more than 11 billions. The volume of trades is $1 billion a day. 30,000 subscribers in the Telegram group. More than 270,000 followers on Twitter. What is Avalanche? Avalanche is the fastest smart contracts platform in the blockchain industry, as measured by time-to-finality, and has the most validators securing its activity of any proof-of-stake protocol. Avalanche is blazingly fast, low cost, and green. Any smart contract-enabled application can outperform its competition on Avalanche. Avalanche launched on mainnet, September 21, 2020. Since then, the platform has grown to secure over 200 plus individual projects, $14 million plus of AVAX burned, reducing supply, 1,000 plus individual block producing validators, and over 600k plus community members around the globe. What is the Avalanche AVAX token? AVAX is the native token of Avalanche. It is a hard-capped, scarce asset that is used to pay for fees, secure the platform through staking, and provide a basic unit of account between the multiple subnets created on Avalanche. You can buy AVAX on Binance, Huobi, Gate exchanges. Click like button and subscribe to our channel.